Alright then, boys and girls, what is up? Welcome back to another video. As always, I am Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me again for another daily update on Vechain. As you can see here, we've been doing really well. We've been doing very, very well, considering all the FUD and the retracement that we've seen surrounding Bitcoin. Obviously, we've got that pre-halving FUD that you often get, along with, you know, we've had some potential instability in the world stage in terms of, you know, potential wars, etc. in the Middle East. These things tend to come and go quite a lot, and it looks like this one was used as an excuse for a big sell-off on Bitcoin, which obviously led a lot of altcoins down to the downside significantly. But look at this. Look at this chart for Vechain, man. Our daily time frame here. Look at how we have backtested into this previous area of structure here. The wick back above our 100 moving average here for another backtest. Look at that wick. That is a beautiful, beautiful looking back test, and then a really nice rally off the lows, to be honest. Not a lot of altcoins have bounced as much as Vechain has recently, and as I said in my previous videos, really impressed with how well Vechain has just been chopping sideways recently. Obviously, when Bitcoin starts to chop sideways and look a little bit like it might retrace and get a bit bearish, altcoins tend to sell off a significant amount. But as you can see for Vechain here, really, you could argue that we've just been putting in a bit of a range for the past month or so, really, the past month or two. Just putting in a bit of a sideways range, looking very similar to Bitcoin's price action, which I find surprising. As always, as I say, when you do get Bitcoin retracing, usually your altcoins start making a much larger retracement. But Vechain looking really quite unscathed, to be honest. I mean, if you zoom out, nothing much has really happened for the past few months. Considering that Bitcoin's obviously got up to all-time highs, it's had a retrace, it's started to go sideways, there's been lots of FUD. The halving is really soon, and you usually get a bit of a sell-off before the halving. The halving is 5 days away, by the way, just so people know. That is going to be a big catalyst for Bitcoin this year. And you can see here, Vechain's looking really good. Off the lows here, nice bullish market structure, back testing into our previous levels here. I mean, really, it's looking like it's ready for that next leg up, isn't it, once Bitcoin stopped messing around. Really, this is looking excellent, to be honest. The hourly time frame, you can see, with that really nice come down, we swept the liquidity here below this level here, probably took out a ton of stop losses for longs, and then what do you know, a massive reversal all the way back up into the range. You can see the structure here that we've been making. All that's really been happening is that we've been chopping sideways and waiting for Bitcoin really to come up and start that bull market, and Vechain's looking primed, isn't it? You can see this chart very simply. Get up through your Fibonacci levels, get up through your 618, flip your bear market into your bull market once you flip the 618, in my opinion, for Vechain. Once we start doing this, we're going to be heading up through our Fibonacci levels pretty quickly, in my opinion. Really, we're just sitting in a lovely little bit of consolidation right now, waiting for that next move. So overall, nothing to be concerned about. Things looking good. Let's see what happens next. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.